Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Australian dollar and the US dollar, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The Aussie dropped 0.8% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw Alibaba stock fall 0.7%. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The last session saw the dollar fall 0.7% against the yen. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The RSI is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
The euro climbed across the board, and the Japanese yen was on track to post its biggest daily rise this year as investors dumped risky positions in currency markets. After hitting ride-hailing company Didi once the firm went public in the U.S., Chinese regulators this week piled even more pressure on the country's tech champions in antitrust cases. U.S. crude and gasoline stocks fell sharply, while distillate inventories rose in the most recent week as demand continued to rise, according to the U.S. EIA.
Thank you for your insightful ideas. And now, let's review today's major economic events.
The U.S. Baker Hughes U.S. oil rig count will be released at 1700 GMT, Finland's industrial output at 500 GMT, the Austrian industrial production at 700 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY&C net positions will be released at 1930 GMT, the UK's manufacturing production at 600 GMT, the UK's gross domestic product at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.